B term of one diameter equation, it is longitudinal diffusion term. According to this term, when sample which is packed with stationary phase and we introduce sample is introduced in the center of the column. So in the center, sample concentration, it is high. In center, sample is present in high concentration and concentration of sample towards walls of the column, it is low. In center, sample is present in high concentration and towards walls of the column, it is present in low concentration. So sample diffuse from center towards walls of the column like this. Sample move downward and it diffuse towards walls of the column due to low concentration towards walls of the column and high concentration in the center of the column. This type of diffusion of sample towards walls of the column, which is longitudinal to the direction of the column as well as longitudinal to the direction of flow. Sample is flowing in this direction, column direction is also this, and sample is showing diffusion in longitudinal direction. So it is called longitudinal diffusion. So this is longitudinal diffusion, which is diffusion of sample in longitudinal direction towards walls of the column due to low concentration near the walls and high concentration in the center. Again, due to diffusion of sample towards walls of the column, central components, they come out quickly, and those which diffuse towards walls of the column, they comes out later, and again band become broadening of band occur. Mean first component it come out quickly, those which diffuse they comes out later. As a result, band become broad, and as one diameter equation shows that B term, if longitudinal diffusion increase, then plate height also increase. So plate height increase when longitudinal diffusion increase. So we have to control this, and solution of this longitudinal diffusion is there inside one diameter equation. One diameter equation says if you want to reduce B term, if you want to reduce longitudinal diffusion, increase linear flow rate, mu x. It's linear flow rate. So if you want to decrease this longitudinal diffusion towards wall, simply press your solvent, which is your mobile phase, introduce your mobile phase with high speed, mean with high linear flow rate. Increase linear flow rate mean we are introducing this mobile phase with high pressure. Due to high pressure of mobile phase, now sample will less diffuse towards walls of the column